Hi, today we'll talk about how to test integrated circuit. There is many integrated circuit type. There is power circuit, signal circuit, processor, and many things. If you see something like this, that's mean the IC is damaged and no need to test it. It's already damaged. You need to change it. Or you can't check the temperature. If temperature too high, that's mean also IC is damaged. What is inside IC? The voltage. We can see there is mean thing: voltage input, voltage output, ground, signal input, signal output. This is the main thing for every integrated circuit. Now we will make some tests for this power IC. This used in nano station AOZ 1212. As you see, this is 8-pin integrated circuit. There is pin number 7 is voltage input, and pin number 1 is voltage output, and pin number 3 ground, pin number 4 is feedback, and 5 is comparator, and pin number 8 is V base. Now we will test it using normal ohmmeter. As you see here, we check pin number 7 is voltage supply or voltage input. It's coming from nano adapter. It's 24 voltage, so input is okay. And we will check input output voltage. This pin number 1 is given 5 volt. That means is okay. This is the simple way to test integrated circuit. As you know, you must have the schematic diagram for the integrated circuit, and you must know each pin what's shown in the schematic diagram: voltage input, output, ground, and etc. and other pin. Thank you for watching. If you like it, join our channel please. Thank you.